So we got order, guys. It's Wadabago. It's 1.6 kilometers for $6. Yeah. So it's hard to deliver now. It's raining. See that? Wow. So yeah, we're here now. I'm gonna ask the lady. Hello. Uber for good. You?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Is it busy? Not really, eh?
No, not too much.
Not too much. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Take us confirm.
Yeah,
Please,
I know.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Happy New Year.
Very fine. Thank you.
Awesome, thanks.
Okay, bye.
Head to your drop-off at 30 Kenwood Avenue.
Yeah, so let's go. Said it's not too busy, but I see a lot of bags there. Eh? Okay, guys, let's head to the rain. Yeah. Wow. How are you, man? I just see you. My
Why?
first pickup. 1.6 $6.
Good day.
Yeah. So I know the driver. He's a good guy. So we have another order, so decline. $7 is too much.
In 600 meters, turn left on Bond Road using the left lane.
Morning. Ah, just be careful. Irene, right?
Yes, please.
Give me 1 second. It's so heavy. Enjoy.
Oh, thank you
You're
very
welcome.
much.
Bye.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Same to you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
2 hours later.
Ah, it's still raining. Never stop the rain. Second order, guys. So it's almost 2 o'clock because I went home, you know, just take a nap a little bit. So 1 order in the morning and just 1 order and just come back. Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Okay. Okay. Right here now. Order. Hi for Alex. Thank you. Okay. Hello. How are you?
Good. Sorry to make you come in the rain.
Oh, it's okay, man. It's part of my job.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, man. You're welcome. Bye.
Have a good day.
You too. Okay, so we have another pickup. It's $11 for 1.5 kilometers. Instead of rain, they still have order here. Usually they're busy in the morning and lunchtime, but now it's 2 o'clock past. So yeah, so lucky we have order here. Let's get this one. Hi. Okay. I get a big pickup. Hello. Uber for
Some staff here so I can see you.
Oh, Mr.
Sorry. What's your
Sorry.
name? Okay.
Yeah. Hi, boss. Basta? Wala yung kapatid mo rito?
Wala.
May order ako, pero ginagawa ko.
Ginagawa pa lang?
Oo. Yeah, that's it. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, we have another odd order. It's 0.8, 1.3 kilometers. Yeah, $8. Not bad, guys. Save it. I hope this one's done. We got another order.
Hi.
It's Americo. Americo. Yeah, I think.
Can you just verify Americo?
Yeah, this one.
And Rebecca?
I just pick up this one.
Can you just verify the order?
Yeah, I verify everything. Yeah,
Okay.
this one, the other one.
Yeah.
I verify.
Sorry, but I have
No problem. I know what's the reason. Some driver, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, thanks. You're welcome. Okay, so the other lady who want me to verify for sure. You want to make sure if the order for the right driver. So yeah, that's their job. Donald pickup. It's $8 guys for 4 kilometers. Yeah, it's good for me because I'm going to that way. Now it's almost 3 o'clock. It's dead time, so $8 is good. BCD. Hey buddy, you check this one? BCD. Thanks a lot. It's hard to cross here guys, there's no stoplight, so what can I do? I have to cross here. There we are.
Bye, have a great time.